steel hinge, and we're using a screw. The exact measurement of the door. This is the most important one. This is a plywood door, and we're gonna put it here, and then it's gonna be attached here. Yeah, and this is the finished door. Again, the process went. So we've already... Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, meljeansolon here. Today we are here in the unfinished Simple Province house here in the countryside of Cebu. And currently it is raining and it's Saturday today. It's weekend. Happy weekend to each and every one of you. In today's video, as you guys can see on the title down below, I am going to share with you guys how do we assemble a door here in the province. Now, I have mentioned this to you guys before that I am not going to purchase or buy a door because it is quite pricey, and for us to have a low-cost door but pretty good one and sturdy, we are just gonna go ahead and assemble one. We already have the materials here with us and the builder is currently doing it. Actually, the front door is already finished. I am going to show it to you guys later on once it's already finished. I'm gonna show it to you guys how he does it from scratch to finish and until he install it into the room. So let's go ahead and get inside. We are doing it inside actually. I tried to turn on the lights. It is currently raining right now, and thanks to Tom and Razzle, my best friend, they went to somewhere far from here because we are lacking some materials for the building of the door. So pretty much this is the door that we have. I mean, this is the material that we have. This is the most important one. This is a plywood door, and the thickness of this is actually 3/4 or a quarter. One of you guys commented, why do Filipinos say 3/4? But yeah, that's how we say it here in the Philippines. We say 1/4, 1/2, 1/8, 3/4. We don't say a quarter like half, and that's just unusual, you know. But here, yeah, this is a 3/4. It's actually very thick. I'm going to like measure it. It's this thickness. So as you guys can see right now, he is trying to use a saw, and then it already has this, what do you call this? Like lines, the mark. So he's gonna try to do that. Because this wood is very thick, it's gonna take some time to really cut it in half. So yeah. Alright guys, so right now he is now trying to cut the 3/4 plywood. It's actually takes so long for it to cut it because it is really thick, and the saw that he is using is a bit dull. We don't have the what do you call that? It's like a grinder for the wood. We don't have that one. He just have the one for the tiles, so it's not applicable for this plywood. And as you guys can see, this one at the floor, this is the exact measurement of the door, and the one he's cutting right now will go for the design in the front. So it's not gonna be just the one in the floor. It's too plain. So we're gonna put a design as well. That's why he's cutting these two, and we're making use of actually the entire wood. So yeah, nothing goes to waste for all these wood. We are trying to put the wood glue into this little thing over here. This is the spare part of the wood that we use, and he's gonna put it on the side. There you go. This is gonna go for the design actually of the door. So, and we're using this thing to nail it. I don't know what it is though.
A nail gun.
Nail gun. We're using a screw. Hand drill. We're using a screw.
Oh no, it's like a drill.
Yeah, he said hand drill. Yeah, it's a lot easier to do it like this. Oh, actually, it magnets the nail. That's good.
Most drills nowadays do that.
Yeah?
Yeah. And
Nice.
screwdrivers if you have a good one, a decent one.
Yeah. Cool.
Because then you're not dropping them.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, we are just pretty much assembling a door because it's a lot cheaper, and if I'm gonna buy a door, I'm gonna be really bankrupt because the door there in Cebu Home Builders costs so much. It ranges from like 4,000 to like 20,000. That's like a lot for me, to be honest. So we have this idea. My mom's store has this idea that they did an assembly of the door, and it looks pretty cool. It is very sturdy as well. So that's why I just decided to copy it, and we can have lesser cost, cheaper cost for the door. And since we have 3 doors for this simple province house, then we have 3 doors that we have to assemble as well. This one he is putting is a wood glue. We got 1 liter. And this is the last door that we are making right now because he already finished the front door and the back door as well.
That's
Super glue, wood glue.
Put your fingers in and hold it on your face.
No way. Then I wouldn't be able to get my finger anymore. The door is already finished, so it is now looking like that. Now we are trying to install it in the room. So that's how it's looking right now. It's looking lit. Quite happy with the result. So we already have the steel hinge. We got 1, 2, 3 steel hinge that is going to attach to the wall. We actually use S4S for these framing. And now we are trying to attach the door, guys. This is the finished door. Well, it's not really finished, but it's already assembled. We just need to paint it. So we have steel hinge, and we're using a screw to attach it to the wall. And that's pretty much it. That's the door. It is quite high. This is Tom's size, so that's good. And we should be done. We just need to attach these steel hinge to the wall, and that's it. We have 3 screws in each hinge. We got 2 here left. There you go. Nice. Alright guys, so right now it is the next day because I was not able to wait last night for this door to be finished. But as you guys can see, this is the finished door. Again, we just assembled it. You guys saw how the process went. So we've already attached it to the room. So yeah, let me go ahead and try to push it. So as you guys can see, we have 3 steel hinges that is holding the door to the door frame. So we have 1, 2, 3 over there. And actually, this one is really heavy. It's thick, and if you are going to like punch it, I don't think that you will be able to really crack it because it is really, really thick. And yeah, this entire door, we've only used like 1 plywood, which is 3/4. And that cost me 1,300 pesos. If I'm going to compare it with the door that you usually buy at the store, it's gonna cost you about 10 or 5,000 peso, which is really a lot. But this is not still finished yet, but I'm just this is like about 90% finished. All we have to do is to just really paint it, but I'm thinking to not paint it. We're just gonna put the varnish so that it will look smoother and it's gonna look like my mom's. Yeah, and also we need to put the lock as well, so it's gonna be here. I already got the deadbolt for the lock, so we're not gonna be using the regular like door knob. We're gonna put it here, and then it's gonna be attached here. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna show you all the 3 doors that we have here. So we're gonna start there. Come on. So this is the front door, guys, and as you guys can see, it is totally the same as what it is in the door in the room. And yeah, we just pretty much use the same thing, the same materials. This is an S4S here as a frame for the door, so it would look nicer. So yeah, this is the front door. Now here we have, again, this is how the door in the room looks like. And now we're gonna go to the door in the back, but we've put here something. Hold on. Okay, so this is the door in the back. So pretty much the same thing as well, and I am so happy because we did not really spend so much for the door, but we have a good quality one as well, and I like it. It's gonna last long. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how we assemble the door here in the province. It is less cost, and you know, it's also good. The quality is good. I like it. And it's kind of nice to actually be able to like assemble or build your own door, not just like a ready-made one. You were really there, you know, the process and everything. Anyway, this is just going to be a quick little you know, tutorial or, you know, sharing experience about how we assemble the door here in the province. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. We are almost finished with the house, and I'm so excited. Thank you for sticking around. As always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.